Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have entry number 21 into my artist trading card birthday challenge, and this one comes from Alaska, and the name of the channel is Arctic Glam, as in glamour. And I am not familiar with this channel, and I did look it up, and it doesn't have any content, but it seems to me that she does, her name is Ursula, that she does support a lot of channels on here on YouTube. And so she entered my challenge, and I'd love to give her a big shout out and get to know Ursula better. And this is kind of why I had my birthday challenge, because I wanted my birthday to be about finding out about other people instead of always focusing on myself, and just meeting people and just being able to know when their birthdays are and to celebrate them. And so let me make sure everything's out of here, out of her package. So let's see. Okay, let me see. Happy birthday, Deanna. So I'm going to open this one up first. Oh, how cute. Look at this cute birthday card. Oh my gosh, I hope my camera is doing these cards justice. So she has some diamond paper in the back, and then this cute little face. And it has a little beauty mark that's made out of a diamond gemmy. And then it says, Happy birthday, Deanna. Thank you for hosting this fun challenge. I hope you enjoy the extra goodies. Crafty hugs, Ursula. Oh, Arctic Glam on Instagram. So I've got to go check you out, Ursula. I was on vacation, so I apologize if I didn't respond to a lot of people that were sending me messages. I was just too busy, or commenting on my videos. I was so busy. But look at this. Oh my gosh. XOXO. Love, let's see. Love you, mean it. And then this is a little arrow, of course, a little heart and some lips. Oh, how cute. Thank you. Extra goodies. So let me open this. Oh, this must be the card. Okay, so this is your ATC card. Oh, I'm mucking this up. Okay, hold on. I don't want to... Gosh, I almost mucked up your card. Oh, how cute. So she is Arctic Glam because she lives in Anchorage, Alaska. Look at how cute. Here's a set of lashes, lipstick, a little nail polish. These are two bobby pins on the bottom, and it says lovely. And then she has some gems up on the top and a little gem here on the this is a heart. Oh, love how you did that. And then her information, Ursula P, Arctic Glam on Instagram. Your birthday is June 3rd. Oh my gosh, your birthday, literally as I am doing this video, I got home on the 2nd. Today is the 2nd of June. Your birthday is June 3rd. So I'm going to say happy belated, even though it's happy early birthday. But by the time I post this, it'll be after your birthday. Favorite colors are pink, mint, green, and turquoise blue. And she is from Anchorage, Alaska. Oh, thank you so much, Ursula. So appreciate you. And you are going to go in the June babies. Oh, right here. You are in my June babies, girl. Beautiful card. Thank you so much. I think I said on another video, I'm so glad I left the card. I had no specifications on what kind of card to make, because look at all these different cards. Like I got this mermaid one, this one's flowers, this one's makeup. Oh, I just love that. Love, love, love. Okay. Also, she sent me this. I almost forgot. So cute little paper clip there. And in here is, oh, what is this? Let me see. There's something in here. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. I love these things. And my favorite brand to buy for my face mask and anything is, I love the creme. That's how I say it. Creme. I love this. This is made in Korea, and I think anything made in Korea for beauty is got to be top line. Oh, yes, girl. I'm going to need these on my eyes after this long plane trip I took. Okay. And then here's a whole bunch of ephemera, some teapots, some flowers, hearts, unicorns. And then this one here, oh, these are made out of material. Stars and flowers in pastel colors and silver. Ooh, I love this bag. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I love this. Love, love, love. So I'm going to put actually your name on this bag so I don't get mixed up with who gave me what. I'm going to just put this back in here and then back in the envelope that she gave me so I don't get mixed up. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please go check out Ursula at Arctic Glam on Instagram. Take care, everybody. Bye.